What's going on YouTube? Chris here. I want to bring out an update today of Ethereum, and we're also going to just look at some altcoins here. And I just want to talk to you a little bit today about what's going on in the market. And guys, being in this space now almost 4 years, in my opinion, this is a bunch of people getting liquidated, and most likely we're going to get a nice rebound out of this in the days and weeks to come. And what I've been doing today, and this isn't financial advice, some of the coins that I was really interested in, this was a time to go shopping, and I was looking at some because, guys, that's the benefit of also having a trading account to where you can sit patiently and wait with cash on hand until the perfect opportunity that you want for a good buying opportunity. And what you look for, those big support areas where you believe institutional people would be buying, because most likely they will be sitting on their hands until they get the price that they want. They're not going to chase the market. They wait for those big retracements like you're seeing now, and then they're going to be entering the market. And I believe people have already been entering the market, and I believe big money is coming into this again. Guys, could we go lower? Absolutely. Right now, Ethereum's at 1,487. Could we go back to $1,000? Anything's possible in this space. And that would put us right around this area here. But in my opinion, for the longer term, I do not believe that the top's in for Bitcoin, nor do I believe it's in for altcoins. For Bitcoin, I believe we're at least going to have one more massive leg to the upside, and that's at a minimum, maybe two. And for altcoins, I believe it's going to be around that 2 or 3 more retracements where we have these big, deep retracements, maybe 1 or 2 more times like this where we just really go down 20, 30, 40% on things before we rip again. And if you can control your emotions in this current environment that we're in, and you really start looking at this, say, okay, do I believe these cryptocurrency prices are ever going to go higher again from here? Yes or no? And that's the question that you have to basically give to yourself. And as we're looking at this here, what I want to do, I want to pull up the moving averages. You can see we're not trading below this 200 EMA. That would mark, in my opinion, if we have candle closes below that, that would mark the start of the bear market. We're not there. Right now, we're trying to find support off the 50 EMA here. And we've had multiple times where we've come back to the 50 before, found support, and got moving again. Could we go down to the 100 at 1,186? Absolutely. But what I wanted to mostly talk to you guys about today is leverage trading in this space. I don't think it's a good thing because of these wicks and the manipulation that can come in and how it can the market can get pushed so easily. I believe if you're doing all that leverage, you can lose your entire account. With one huge wick, you go to sleep for the night and that's it, and your account's gone. And there's a lot of people out there doing 10x leverage, 20x leverage, guys, and you'll see these posts of people down 20,000, down 100,000 or whatever. You don't want to be in that place. I believe spot altcoins, they're volatile enough. I mean, we're crazy for even being in the space with how volatile they are, so you don't need to add all that leverage onto it as well. And then if we have situations like this, you're able to patiently wait it out for the next leg to the upside. We haven't even had the climax selling volume at the top either. I just don't believe the top's in for Ethereum, Bitcoin, or other altcoins. Now, anything in the world can happen, and I could be 100% wrong on that, but my gut feeling is right now, this is another opportunity. And what we're looking at here, just to give you an example, the price range, what we have dropped so far for Ethereum, I mean, we went down 33%, and that's common in this space. If we go back and measure some of these over here that we had, that was about 37%, showing we could even go a little bit lower, but we kept that moving. We stayed in the uptrend, and right now we're still trading up above our moving averages. The trend is still up. So it's too early to say, and basically it's just assumed that we're entering a bear market right now. I don't believe we're there yet. What we're going to need to see is what type of bounce we get out of here as well. If this is going to be a really weak bounce in the days to come, and you see us kind of crawl up here on weak volume, then most likely we're going to get another flush to the downside. You need to be aware of that. The RSI right now is sitting at about 41. Okay, so that's going to be Ethereum. And what I want to do here was just kind of scroll through. I mean, you can see, guys, this is the time, in my opinion, when there's blood on the streets and there's coins that you're interested in. When we're down 21%, 22%, even after the fall that we had yesterday, it can present some good opportunities. But never risk more than you can afford to lose. I mean, that's the key, guys. There's people who are risking everything. I mean, you need to have your food money in line. You need to have your mortgage payment, all that type of stuff, and then look at cryptocurrency. Okay? But you can see, I mean, Bitcoin Cash right now down 21%. I mean, just all of them getting chewed up right now. Litecoin 18%, Ethereum's almost 15%, XRP 20%, Dash, you're looking down about 20% right now. Link 19%, it's at $25.52. You can see Tesla's getting beat up good at 19% to the downside. So if that's one you're interested in at $3.46, you know, that's the type of stuff you're looking at. Bitcoin 46,717 right now. And these are all the coins that I basically look at, but you can see, you know, take your pick. Say you really like Uniswap, down 22%. And you say, okay, this is the time to enter that, unless you believe that Uniswap's done. Do you believe the altcoin cycle is over? And I'd also like for you guys to put it down low. Do you believe this is going to continue on and we still have more time in this bull market? Or do you believe this was the top for Ethereum, altcoins, Bitcoin, all that type of stuff? I'd love to hear your opinion down low. But as you go through here, you know, this is the time. There's coins that you're interested in when there's blood in the streets. So, you know, guys, that's what I wanted to bring to you today. I hope you're all, you know, didn't overextend yourself. You weren't on a ton of leverage and everything. But I would just be patiently waiting, or I would be taking advantage of this opportunity and slowly laddering in. And by laddering in, I mean, say this is an area you're interested in, start buying here. If it goes lower, you have more bids. Goes lower, you have more bids. And they get heavier as the price goes down is typically how I like to do it. But that's what I wanted to leave you with today, guys. Don't panic. God bless each and every one of you. Take care.